Let's move on. Question number 4. So what is the length of AB round to the nearest tenth? So they also included a diagram here. So this is a right angle triangle with sides A, B, and C. And they also included an angle of the triangle and also the length of AC. So we're going to use our trigonomic properties. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can use cosine, sine, and tangent to our advantage here. So let's say that this 75 degrees at ACB, let's say that this is equals to theta, okay? And theta equals 75 degrees. So now we know that the cosine of theta and the sine theta and tan theta are related to the ratios of certain sides. For example, cosine theta is the relationship of side AC, or the adjacent, over AB. Sine theta would be side BC over AB, or the hypotenuse. And finally, tan theta would be opposite over adjacent, which would be BC over AC. Okay, so we're going to use our cosine theta because we're given the side of the adjacent angle, and we're going to need to find AB. Okay, so we know cosine theta, so it's cosine of 75 degrees equals 10 over AB. So now side AB, or the hypotenuse, would be 10 over cosine of 75. And we're going to calculate that using our calculator here. Okay. Oops, sorry. Let me just turn this back. Okay, so 10 divided by cosine of 75 is going to be 38.637. Okay, so 38.637 meters. Remember that the side AC is in meters, so we're going to use their units, meters. And they also ask us to round to the nearest tenth, so we have a tenth, a hundredth, a thousandth. So we're going to round to the first decimal point. And since the hundredth point is not equal to 5 or greater, we're not going to round up. So all we have is 38.6 meters. So side AB is 38.6 meters. Cool. So that's the solution to the problem. We figured out that this is a right angle triangle, so we can use cosine, sine, and tangent. By utilizing that, we were able to use the cosine function, to use the angle and the appropriate side to find our hypotenuse. And once we found our hypotenuse, we rounded it up to the nearest tenth, which is 38.6. The solution is correct. Nice work. Cool. All right, let's move on to question number